Hello, so today's lecture is cubing base method. We all know what are base and what is deviation. Cubing base method. Now let us understand what is cube. What do I mean by saying cube? Cube of a number is the product of number by itself 3 times. So if the number is a and I multiply a by a 2 times, then I get a cube. This is written as a to the power of 3 and read as a cube. Let us see some examples which you already know. What is 1 cube? 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1. So it is 1. 1 cube is 1. Now 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. So what is 2 cube? You can tell me. What is 2 cube?
8.
8 is correct. Okay, 3 cube. 3 cube.
Sir, 27.
Correct. 3 cube is 27. 3 times 3 times 3 is
27.
27. 4 cube.
Sir, 164. 64.
Yes, it's 64. 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. 5 cube.
125.
Yes, excellent. 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. 6 cube.
Sir, 6 cube, I don't know.
You can try.
216.
I noted
Yeah,
5
you
cube.
can try in your copy. 6 into 6 is yes. 216 is correct. 7 cube.
Sir, so we need to by heart this?
Yes, till 9. Till 9 you must learn. 7 cube.
Sir, it's 49 into 7. That's what I'm
Yes.
calculating.
Yes, 49 into 7 is
343.
correct. 343 is correct. 8 cube.
Sir, 8 cube is
5 and 2?
Yeah, correct. 8 into 8 into 8 is 512. 9 cube is 9 into 9 into 9.
Sir, I know this. 9 into
Yes.
9 into 9 is
Sir, 7
7
to
to
9.
9.
Yeah, 7 to 9 is correct. Now you must by heart the cubes till 9. So I will ask you to just write it down and just repeat it 3 to 4 times. Then I am going to ask you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now I'll be asking you 5 cube,
Sir, 125.
6 cube,
216.
7 cube,
343.
2 cube,
8.
5 cube,
125.
215.
7 cube,
343.
343.
9 cube.
729.
Yeah, correct. Okay. Now let us understand base method. I will take a very easy example, then we will move to others as well. 104 cube. Here the base is 100 and deviation is 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
बेस
sir.
100 है, डिविएशन 4 है, ये बात समझ में आती है, ये बात अच्छे से पता है.
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो हमारा आंसर जो है यहाँ d इक्वल्स टू 4 है, मैं लिख देता हूं. हम आंसर निकालेंगे 3 इजी स्टेप्स में. पहला स्टेप है d क्यूब. d क्यूब यानी d क्या है? 4.
4.
तो आप क्या लिखोगे? पहला स्टेप 4 क्यूब, ठीक है ना. दूसरा स्टेप है 3d स्क्वायर. d को स्क्वायर करो और उसको 3 से इंटू करो. और तीसरा स्टेप है नंबर प्लस 2d. चलिए करके देखते हैं ये तीनों स्टेप. पहला स्टेप d क्यूब. d क्यूब इज 4 क्यूब विच इज 64. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
The second step is 3d square. The second step is 3d square. So d square means 4 square, which is 16, and 16 into 3 is 48.
48.
So you will write 48 here. And the last step is number plus 2d. So number is 104 plus 2 times deviation is 8. 4 plus 8, 12. So you will write 112. And the complete answer is 1124,864. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. Now we have a rule. Note. We will write it as a note. This is step 1, 2, and 3. So first and second step will have as many digits as there are zeros in the base. फर्स्ट और सेकंड स्टेप में उतने डिजिट्स होंगे जितना बेस में जीरो है. क्लियर? यहाँ बेस में 2 जीरो है, इसीलिए 2 डिजिट्स लिखे. I will take more example where the rules will be more clear to you. First, note down this example. Okay, now let's take an example in which the rule gets more clear. Let the number be 102 cubed. I have to do the cube of 102. Here the base is 100 and the division is 2. Division कितना है?
2.
2. तो पहला स्टेप बोलता था d क्यूब. d क्यूब करोगे तो कितना आएगा?
8.
लेकिन आपको लिखना क्या है? You have to write 08. You have to write 08 because the rule says it will have as many digits as there are zeros in the base. Here the base has 2 zeros, so each step must have 2 digits. That is 08. The second is 3d square. D square is 4 and 4 times 3 is 12. So this is okay. And the third step says number plus 2d. So number is 102 and 2d is 4. 102 plus 4 is 106. So the answer is 1061208. Is the answer clear?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Okay, then let's take an example in which we have to apply a rule many times. Let's change the base. This time the base is 1000. So 1003 cube. The first step is d cube. So d cube is 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. So I will write 027. Is
Sir,
this clear?
because there are 3 zeros.
Yes, you are right, because there are 3 zeros in the base. So I will write 027. Now d square is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. And 9 times 3 is 27.
27.
But I have to again write 027. And the reason is same, because the base has 3 zeros. And the last is number plus 2d, that is 1003 plus 2d is 6, which is 1009, and the final answer is 1009,027,027. Clear?
Yes,
क्लियर है
sir.
सभी को? देखिए, look here, the base 100 and base 1000 are simple one. The real difficulty comes when we take the base 10. Now let us discuss it. This is 16 cube. Let us take an example, 16 cube. Sorry. So the first step is 6 cube, which is 216. 6 cube is 216.
216.
But I will write 6 and 21 will go as carry. And you know the reason why? Because rule says each step must have as many number of digits as there are zeros in the base. So here the base was 10. So I am allowed to write just one digit, which is 6. And 21 will go as carry. Clear?
Yes, sir.
The next step is 3d square. D square is 36. And 36 into 3 is 108. Now 108 plus 21 carry, which makes it 129,
129.
and 12 will go as carry. Here 12 will go as carry. The third step is number plus 2d. So number is 16 plus 2d is 12.
6.
16 plus 12 is 28. 28 plus 12 is 40. So the answer is 4096.
Sir, in this, if there's a three-digit number, then it gets difficult.
Yeah,
If there's a
yeah,
two-digit number, then it's easy.
yeah. 2 digit is still simpler, but 3 gets a little bit complicated just because we have to remember 2 digit carry. So the technique is clear for all the bases. That is 10, 100 and 1000.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Are you ready to do the questions yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. The rule is same. You have to give me the answer in chat box privately. Okay. So first question that I give you is 107 cube. Arna, your answer is correct. Jayesh, your answer is correct. Okay, so next question. The correct answer is 1225043. 1008 cube. Yeah, Arpit, your answer was also correct. Arpit, try again. Jayesh, correct answer. Yeah, Samriddhi, correct answer. Arpit, just remember the rule. The base has 3 zeros. So in each step you are allowed to write 3 digits. That is the mistake you are making. You are writing 2 digits. Arpit, try one more time. Just your third step is incorrect. The other two are correct. Arna, there is a typo. You interchange the position of 2 digits. Just check your answer.
Sir, I'm not getting it then.
Okay, I will do it for you. Not an issue. Look here. This is 8 cube. First step is 8 cube, which is 512. You are allowed to write 3 digits. So 512 part is over. Now the second step is 3d square. D is 8. 8 square is 64. 64 times 3 is 192. So you will write 192. 3 digits are allowed since the base is 1000. Now number plus 2d. So number is 1008 plus 2d is 16, which becomes 1024. So the complete answer is 1024192512. Yeah, Arna, your answer was correct now. Okay, let's try one more question. 15 cube. Tell me 15 cube. Do it carefully. Apply all the rules. Jayesh, your answer is correct. Arna, your answer is correct. Arpit, check once again. Sorry, check once again. Samriddhi.
Sir, I made a mistake again.
Yeah. So you
I
got your
got
mistake.
it. Yes, sir.
So what is your answer now?
Sir, now my answer is it should be 5. 31 plus 12 is 43. 3 and then 4 carry 25 plus 4 is. Sir, it should be 2935.
No. Check once again. Let me explain. This is 5 cube. 5 cube is 125. So you will write 5 and 12 will go as carry. The second step is 3d square. So d square is 5 square, which is 25, and 25 into 3 is 75. But you are having 12 as carry. So 75 plus 12 is 87. You will write 7 and now 8 will go as carry. Here we have 15. 15 plus 2d. 2d is 10. 15 plus 10 is 25. And 25 plus 8 is 33.
37.
So the answer is 3375. Clear?
Sir, I got confused at the second step now. I did 5 into 2 instead of 5 square.
But
I
sir,
got
my answer is
confused.
3775.
No, Anna, 3775 is not correct. It should be 3375.